Forward-thinking.
Impactful.
Family.
Supportive.
Scrappy.
Persistent.
Thriving.
Partnership.
Busy.
Adaptive.
Stewardship.
Purposeful.
Committed.
Influential.
Collaborative.
Transformational.
EPLI is the sort of incubator where you have that space to be and discover and explore, have that information literally at your fingertips.
I think EPLI works with a lot of really important people and organizations, and even though EPLI isn't a huge organization itself, I think the influence EPLI has on parks, not even just across the country, but globally, is really important and amazing.
They were partners at many different levels as well. So I think partnership sort of speaks to what they do.
EPLI always has lots of different things going on. There's plenty for everyone to do.
We take a very collaborative approach to working with our partners, and it's an approach that I really appreciate. Gotten to know a lot of great people and been able to learn a lot from working with them.
Whether it's with the National Park Service or local park agencies, is always looking for places to where we could, apply our knowledge and help out people.
Again, it kind of changed how training was done in the field of interpretation.
They provide an opportunity for me to just be who I am, to work, to excel at what I do. And so I'm just grateful for having the opportunity to have been at Indiana University and to have been a part of the EPLI family.
The resources and the staff support that EPLI and NCA bring to the table allow everyone from individuals who want to have more access or more understanding to large communities who want to enjoy recreation and natural settings. They can get the support from this group.
I think that from the way we operate as an institution to the way that we structure projects and support our partners, we are very adaptive both to their needs and also to the needs of any project or kind of internal work.
The staff are committed, the leadership is committed, EPLI and NCA is committed to professionalism, excellence, and in our focus area on parks and public lands.
It's a thriving organization. It's filling an important niche in the recreation, park, and tourism field, providing research and training programs that very few other institutions in higher education are engaged in.
Conditions are always changing, projects are always changing, staff is always changing, but EPLI somehow manages to keep plugging away and doing great work and serving the field.
I think in all the things that we do, we are giving purpose to the Parks and Recreation profession, bringing awareness to the Parks and Recreation profession, and just continuing to show the importance of the Parks and Recreation profession.
We constantly had people telling us after we had any kind of contact, they never would see their parks or their museums in the same way because they would start seeing the barriers that they didn't notice before we had that interaction with them.